Hello traders, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I am going to be sharing most profitable binary trading non-repaint Dragon V8 MT4 indicator. This MT4 indicator can analyze market movements technically with higher accuracy. This indicator catches very fast and profitable price movement and gives you easy buy-sell signals. This system easy to use, you can set up in only 10 minutes. If you use properly, this indicator gives you 99% accuracy. Today in this video I will take live trade with my live account. We also provide signal on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need opening the MT4 indicator. Let's see some previous signals. Here you can see all the signals are winning signals. Now I take some trade base on this indicator. Don't skip and watch the full video. Here we got a sell signal. Let's take the trade. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signal. Okay guys, here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for result. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. Here we got a sell signal. Let's take the trade. Our trade will be a successful winning. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join free Telegram. See you on another video. Goodbye for today. Happy trading!